Hello, this is Jeffrey. Welcome to this week's Masterclass Introduction, Blogging for Pleasure and Profit. Blogging for Pleasure and Profit walks you through step by step how easy it is to launch a blog, a website, or a combination blog and website. By the way, because of easy domain registration and hosting through providers like builditfromanywhere.com, it is inexpensive to register and host your own blog or website. You should not have to pay big bucks to launch your blog or website. Registering a domain name is generally the first hiccup in blogging for pleasure or starting as a web business or information entrepreneur. It does not have to be that way. Easy domain registration and launching your blog or website is something you can do in less than 10 minutes. That's right. You can get up and running in less than 10 minutes. What about after you go live? What then? What do you do after you launch your blog or website? The answer, in one word, lots. There is administrative stuff that needs to be handled. For example, if you are to be compliant, you require a privacy policy. And there are a few other common pages that should be considered. We will cover those and more when we digest administration in later masterclasses. For now, our principal focus is on you launching your website or blog in less than 10 minutes. In reading through the modules that will accompany your workbook, it might appear as if we are speaking about a website and a blog as two separate entities. They can be. You can have just a website. Websites are made up of pages. You could have just one page, a sales funnel, for example, or as many pages as you like. They can be just content, that is, words, just images, as in a gallery or video, or any combination. Images of products for sale with a write-up for each one, for example. You could have just a blog where you post information on an ongoing basis. Posts can include images, audio, and video content, just like a website. Examples of blogs include a news blog, political commentary blog, or specialty blog, a personal journal blog, or video blog, and so forth. And yes, on just a blog or just a website, you can sell stuff, do affiliate marketing, or implement other ways to make money. The term monetization is commonly used on the internet to describe various ways to make money online. Generally, for business and infopreneurs, a website blog combination is most common. That is a website with static pages, content that rarely requires updates, and a blog where fresh content is being added regularly. For example, Julie owns Coffee Boutique 534. She has a website, blog combination. She has specific pages about where she imports her coffee from, how it is roasted, how she supports fair trade practices, best brewing practices, and products she sells. This is information that needs little maintenance and is rarely updated. On the same website, she blogs. She shares information her clients and followers are interested in. For example, let's say she has an upcoming tasting. She might blog about the different beans that will be used for the tasting. She might blog about how her followers can have a home tasting party, for example. Can someone have just a website or just a blog? Absolutely. For example, commission salespeople might want a website about what they sell, a little bit about themselves, and how they can be reached. This allows them to post on social media with a link back to their web page as compared to linking back to the company page. This is a tactic many commission salespeople use to grow their business. An example of just having a blog would be someone who has information that they want to share and invite others to comment on. It could be on a specific topic, let's say the mating habits of bats, for example, or it could simply be a place to rant. When it comes to website or blog, or website blog combination, the applications are only limited by what one can conceive as an idea. Generally, if you are interested in making money online, a website blog combination delivers more followers. When it comes to search engine optimization, fresh quality content at this time is what gets higher rankings. Higher rankings means your content is closer to the top when someone searches online. This means that you have a better chance of being found through organic search. When it comes to the World Wide Web, reasons to have a presence online are endless. That is why it is essential to have a guide. For example, you wouldn't attempt to climb Mount Everest on your own, regardless of the amount of training you have. The same analogy holds for launching a web presence. The purpose of these training modules and future masterclasses is to help you avoid the loose rocks, the slippery slopes, and wasting time. You will do that by avoiding the many costly errors, mistakes, and do-overs that my associates and I suffered. Up to this point, we stated that you can get online in less than 10 minutes. There is administration and ongoing maintenance required. And you can have just a blog, just a website, or a combination of blog and website. Plus, and this is often the goal of many launching an internet presence, you can make money. You do that by marketing your products or services, selling someone else's products or services, by doing both, yours and someone else's, or any combination. Possibilities on the World Wide Web are endless. Now, coming up in next week's masterclass, Module 1, we will present the essential components required to have your own web presence. By the way, if you are catching this video on the replay, in the notes below there is a link to website webhostingservices.com. No hassles, no upsells, 99.9% uptime, and awesome support. If you are looking to register a domain name for hosting or for both, this service is top drawer.